Hi guys, so this is the banding and bonding material video that you need. So this is what you need to set up. First you need to get your skull. So we're going to do the brackets and bands on the skull, the metal ones. Then you obviously need your brackets. So there's 7 brackets, 5 to 5. There's a molar 6 bracket there that we're going to put on. So the metal brackets. The next thing we need is we need the bands. And for the bands, we obviously need the band cement that's in your kit. For the brackets, we need your bracket cement. Then, in order to bond the brackets, you need a bit of sandpaper. You need a cloth or alcohol wipe. The cloth will go with alcohol. So you just sand your teeth one by one. After that, you can clean with the alcohol wipe or the gauze with alcohol, clean it off, and then you're ready to bond after it's dried off. Then, after we've banded this, we will need the arch wire, top and bottom, to tie in and do the metal ligature ties, the shorties, the elastics that you see here. You can bring from your practice, you can bring some cotton rolls and a applicator like this. I use this to clean off around it a bit, so use your choice. And then the other thing you need your separating elastics. So that is the material needed for your exercise on the metal brackets. So the next video we will look at what we need for the ceramic brackets.